Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the Neohipo DC10 DAC. This DA converter promises impressive performance with support for DSD-256 and PCM up to 768 kHz, all for just under $80. Let's dive in and see if it lives up to the hype. Unboxing the DC10, you'll find a straightforward package containing a concise manual, a USB-C cable and the DC10 unit itself. The Neohipo DC10 impresses with a solid build quality, feeling robust and well constructed, with a durable chassis that conveys reliability, especially given its price point. Its compact design, measuring just 3.9 x 354 x 157 inches and weighing only 6.7 ounces, is both stylish and functional, making it ideal for desktop setups or other space-constrained scenarios. The neatly arranged controls and connections are easy to access, with switches that offer a satisfying tactile response, contributing to a sense of quality craftsmanship. The front panel features an on-off selector, an input selector and indicator lights for DSD and PCM, with the PCM light changing color, blue, green or red, depending on the sample rate, providing a quick visual reference. On the back, the DC10 offers a versatile range of connections, including a USB-C input that handles both power and signal, an optical input, a coaxial port and a stereo RCA output, giving you plenty of options for integrating the DAC into your existing audio setup. Under the hood, the DC10 is powered by the highly regarded ES9018K2M DAC chip, known for its outstanding sound quality and low distortion rates, an impressive 0.0008%. Additionally, it supports high-resolution audio formats including DSD-256 and PCM up to 768 kHz, promising to deliver your music with impressive clarity and precision. To evaluate the sound quality of the Neohipo DC10, I decided to compare it directly to the internal DAC of a Denon DCD-900NE CD player. The Denon DCD-900NE is equipped with the ES9018K2M DAC chip, which boasts similar specifications to the ES9028K2M found in the Neohipo DC10. Although I'm quite satisfied with the Denon's performance, I was still curious to find out if using an external DAC like the DC10 could offer a noticeable improvement in the sound quality, especially given its competitive price. For this demo I'll be playing Sade's Smooth Operator, first using the Denon's internal DAC and then through the external Neohipo DC10. Although the nuances of sound may not fully come true on YouTube, I'll be providing you with my honest impressions after the listening sessions.
Laughing with another girl and playing with another heart. Chasing high stakes, making hearts ache. He's loved in 7 languages. Diamond lights and ruby lights. High in the sky. Heaven help him when he falls. Diamond light, lover boy. You move in space with you, feel on my waves, like summer joy. City lights, business night. When you require streetcar desire for higher heights. No place for beginners or sensitive hearts. When sentiment is left to chance. No place to be ending, but somewhere to start. No need to ask, he's a smooth operator. Smooth operator. Smooth operator. Smooth operator. Coast to coast, LA from Chicago, west of Maine.
Listening to Smooth Operator by Sade through the Denon DCD-900NE's internal DAC reveals a sound signature that is both rich and full-bodied, with a muscular low end that anchors the track beautifully. The bass has a solid, almost tangible presence, providing a warm foundation that complements Sade's velvety vocals. The top end is exceptionally smooth, delivering a refined treble that feels effortlessly controlled, contributing to a sound that's both cohesive and immersive. Switching to the Neohipo DC10, there's a noticeable shift in the sonic landscape. The DC10 brings out slightly more detail across the frequency spectrum, uncovering subtle nuances that were less pronounced with the Denon's internal DAC. The soundstage also feels marginally wider, offering a greater sense of space and separation between instruments, which enhances the overall listening experience. While the top end is not as smooth as the Denon, it remains well-mannered, steering clear of any harshness or sibilance. The treble, though a touch more pronounced, is still pleasantly natural, ensuring that the music retains its smooth character without veering into sharpness. Overall, the Neohipo DC10 adds a layer of precision to the sound without sacrificing on musicality, making it a compelling choice for those seeking a more detailed and spacious listening experience. In conclusion, the Neohipo DC10 offers a detailed and spacious listening experience. Compared to the Denon DCD-900NE's internal DAC, the DC10 offers a slightly wider soundstage and more nuanced detail with an effective balance of clarity and precision, though the top end may not be as smooth. While the Denon's internal DAC provides a warmer, fuller sound, the Neohipo DC10's enhanced detail and broader soundstage could make it a worthwhile addition to your audio setup, especially for those interested in high-resolution formats. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave it a thumbs up and see you in the next one. Bye!